Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Miss Chrissy, and I have this makeup look for you. Actually, it's an eye look. It's not the whole look. I kind of had to speed it up a little bit, you know, so you guys can, so we're not as long as we used to be. But if you like this eye, this one, stay tuned. Hi beauties. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna create this eye look right here on the left. We're gonna do it on the right. All right, so let's jump in. We start off with our Louise base. I'm just gonna put a dab, just a little bit of this base. You don't need too much with Louise. I notice it kind of smears out really good. So we're just gonna dab it onto our eye like so. And then just kind of buff in the rest with this brush. Just like this. Just buff it in. Make sure you got a smooth little canvas. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. And we're gonna pick this pretty color right here. This yellow color. And we're gonna put that right into our crease bone. So we're just gonna blend it into our crease bone. Then we're gonna go in after that and pick up this nice peachy color right here. And we're gonna blend that into our crease bone right under that yellow color. All right, so like right between your crease bone and a little bit between your eye, just blend it. So now I'm going in with a little bit more base and this brush right here on my lid. I'm trying to not really cut a crease, but I want my lid to pop out more. So I'm just gonna add some more base to that. So I'm just creating, you know, kind of the lid that I want, even though it kind of looks like a cut crease. Actually, it kind of is, but it's not really a cut crease. I think initially I wanted to cut a crease, but we're not really gonna cut a crease, okay? Now we're gonna go in with this nice color right here in the middle. I wanted a matted look at first, and then I'm gonna just add some shimmer on top of it. So I went in with this gold color that I just showed you guys. So I'm using my big flat matte eyebrow brush. I like to grab this brush from my lid because it picks up a lot of the eyeshadow, and I like to use that for my lid and just kind of pat it in, as you see I'm doing here. So I'm just doing that with that pink color, and then I go in with that kind of goldish color just to kind of pop it out a little bit more. Next, I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow brush here and grab this peachy color again right here that we use in our brow, and I want to put that right in the corner of my eye. You see that look there? I wanted to create like a kind of sunset-y golden look. I think I was just like playing and trying to see what I come up with. And then I did this gold on top of that because I really wanted to pop out that eye. It wasn't popping out quite the way I wanted it, so that's why I went in with that. Next, I go in with this chocolate color here for my outer corner of my lid, just to kind of smoke out the eye a little bit. It's not too defined as far as smoky goes, but it does create that definition in the corner of your eye. Next, I'm just gonna pick up some makeup wipes. And if you notice, there was some fallout with that golden color. That's kind of expected, but I didn't really mind too much because sometimes I just use my fallout as like highlighter, but I'm just dusting it off. Now I'm gonna go in with that peachy color again, and we're gonna put that right up under our eye because I wanted to create like a I guess like a sunset smoky look I was trying to go for. I don't know. It's makeup, girl. Just play. So just get some mascara. Any mascara is fine. And I just put that on right before my lashes. All right. Magic. Ooh, yeah. How we looking? How we looking, girl? You think you cute, huh? Yeah. All right, so now let's just go ahead and put some liner on our top part of that false lashes. It just kind of sinks it in together, and then it makes your eyes pop out more. This look is coming together. What y'all think? Look at this. Look. Ooh, yes. Yes, girl. Lastly, I just go in with this liquid eyeshadow, and I just put that like right above where I attempted to cut a crease, but it just kind of makes it cleaner looking. You can go a little higher if you want to pop out the eyeshadow more, but I wasn't really trying to go for that, so I was just trying to like kind of sink it all together. Now, what y'all think? Yes. And until next time, see you beauties later. Bye.